Hello good people, this is Sherry. I'm gonna make a bracelet. I am playing with the idea of, I needed a bracelet to use as a base, and I didn't have any that I wanted to use. And the ones that I have are a little bit small. So previously I had made some bracelets that were a good size for my hand. My hand is a little bit big. So these fit over my hand really easily. So I'm gonna show you the bracelets that I made that were this size recently. These are bracelets that I made using the method where I cut the material into this, bracelet shape. This on each one of these I used five rings, and the 3 rings in the middle I covered with this material, and then I have the 2 outer rings. And this is a good size. This is a nice size bracelet. So if you have a larger hand, when I did the same way, except instead of covering the middle 3 rings, I covered just the middle ring. And then this one, let's see, yeah, it's a little bigger because I've used 7 rings. So the middle ring here, and then there are 3 outer rings. So this is the same pattern that I'm using for these. Since I didn't want to use up so much of my wood, I decided to try to see about using this thick cardboard. So I cut this thick cardboard on my Glowforge, and it's probably about a 1/4 inch wide. So, and then because these are flat, and the bracelet base that I had been using before was concave, it's kind of rounded here. So I decided to see if I could get somewhat of a rounded effect by using a larger ring in the middle of the 3. So I cut the cardboard in several pieces, and then I cut some acrylic to go on the outside. So I'm gonna put these 2. Let's see if I could. Oh, I may have to glue these so that they stay. So that it stays. So that's what I'm gonna use, some hot glue to glue these together. Or I guess I could use my glue stick. We'll see. Let me try the glue stick and see if that will work to hold them in place. If not, I know that the glue stick will work. I know that the hot glue will work. I'm gonna need hot glue. here we have it. We'll see how this works. This is disappearing purple glue, children's school glue. That's not bad. It's not bad at all. And it's a good size. I would possibly put 2 more rings to make it a little bit wider, but all in all, I'm happy with the way that it turned out. Of course, I had to cut some more cardboard to make some earrings. Good people, you know the drill. If you like this video, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget our Tuesday live subscriber chat. We have more items to give away. All right, good people, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.